What do we got? What is this? Oh, wow, this is a vaccination card. I hope this one isn't real. This wouldn't be too good. What we got here? Oh, we got the MSCHF Wholesale Gold Star member.
MSCHF is the company that made the Satan shoes, Jesus shoes, and the mystery boxes that Mr. Beast opened. And today, they're back with their first edition set of trading cards, which are unlike anything you've ever seen. They're called Boosted Packs. They take a dive into people's wallets. Now, what we're gonna do today is open up some of these packs, see what's inside, see how crazy it might be. Now, if you wanna see more things from MSCHF in the future, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you wanna pick up some boosted packs for yourself, head to the link in the description down below, boostedpacks.com. These will sell out.
So here we go. You know, we had to throw on the Supreme gloves because why not? We're here for this unboxing. I genuinely have no idea what's inside these things, so I'm gonna open them up right here with you guys and see what we got. We got the first pack right here. This could be literally anything, so we're gonna do this and see what we get. All right, first pack here. What do we got? Wow. So we got a MSCHF earn, save, we get free stuff. Pharmacy card, rewards card, okay. What do we got here? This is the Fool, some kind of, I don't know, business card type thing. What we got here? Oh, we got the MSCHF Wholesale Gold Star member. This is like the Costco card. That's pretty cool. In loving memory of Steve Jobs. He was an anti-vaxxer. Wow, that's something. I'll leave that there for you guys to read. Interesting. Oh shoot, we got maybe like 6 cards here. Yo, look at this. Wow. Steve Jobs. Very, very interesting. We got a voting permit. Okay. For Talissa Epps, living in Newark, New Jersey. And what do we got here? We got scan here for boosted pack exploits. All right, pretty good first pack. So actually, quick stopping point here. I looked this up, I scanned this barcode. Like I said, I hadn't opened these things yet. I didn't know what to expect. Type in this password, and it's literally the exploits that I'm gonna say MSCHF recommends. I don't necessarily condone this kind of stuff here, but you know, an example was to use kind of this card, the Costco card. Maybe this could actually get you into a Costco. I don't know, probably depends on who's at the door, but go check out that site. So all right, here we go with the second pack. We're gonna open this one up. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got in the second pack. Let's get this one open. Let's see. First off here, what do we got? Theranos Ramesh Balwani. We got an employee ID card. Pretty cool. Start second pack pile. Right here, what do we got? Alibaba Group. Wow, that's something. Big fans. Here we go. What do we got? Interesting. I wonder if this is real. We got an email address and a phone number, but business card there. What do we got here? The Brooklyn Public Library card. Wow. I don't know. This could be a legit library card. I have no idea. Anybody in Brooklyn, leave a comment. Let me know if this is what it looks like. Over here, what do we got? What is this? Oh, wow. This is a vaccination card. I hope this one isn't real. This wouldn't be too good, but maybe have somebody's vaccination card. Interesting. And again, here we go with that QR code. The password is the same on this one. Now on to pack number 3. Let's get it. Let's open this one up. Rip this one right open. Let's see what we got. Over here, what is this? License to carry in Indiana. Nice. Interesting. Maybe real, maybe fake. I have no idea. What we got here? We got MSCHF University. Oh no, we got Elon's kid. That is something right there for MSCHF University. What do we got? A somebody's Hawaii driver's license. Sarah Simpson. Got an address. That's somebody's picture. Got Hawaii driver's license. Another MSCHF wholesale card. These things are pretty cool. I do like that. And we got another boating permit. Pretty cool. And again, we got the QR code rounding out pack number 3. I'm gonna get this one open here. This is pack number 4. Let's see what we got. Got a boating permit. We got another MSCHF University. Bob Bingo. That'll do it. We got a student ID card there. We got McDonald's. David Tovar. Maybe a real person. I I don't know. What do we got this time? We got another Steve Jobs prayer card. Who's this? We got a AAA card. Now, this does look pretty real, to be honest. Julia Spencer. I don't know. AAA card right there. All the info and the QR code. And now diving in, pack number 5. What do we got in here? Let's see what we got. Oh, we got another business card for your big fans right here. What do we got? Jenny Warwick. We got another Alibaba card. We got another Brooklyn Library card. Pretty cool. And who's this one? This is, oh yeah, this is the state of Indiana again. And a MSCHF University, Bob Bingo. And the QR code. So I did some not so difficult digging. I'm just gonna leave this right here for you guys to check out. And you can see I opened up 5 of the packs of the boosted packs. I have 5 more if you want to see some more unboxings of what's inside. We still didn't get plenty of cards that are listed on the box, so hopefully they're in the other packs. Head to my TikTok to check that out. I'm going to be unboxing some there. Here are some of my favorite cards. As we talked about, these things are absolutely crazy. Definitely check out this site. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from MSCHF, and I will see you guys on the next video.